In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix Heartopia app not working for me. So the first thing I had to do is to close the Heartopia app, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And in here I just scrolled down, I clicked on general, and then I clicked on storage right here as you can see. And now we're just going to simply wait for this page to load, and now this one is going to load in here as well as you can see. So we need to just wait a couple of seconds. Now when it's done, click on search here up top. Search for Heartopia and click on the app. Now click on Upload App, and once again in here click on Upload App. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load here, so we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to load until we can see where it says like reinstall app in here. So we're just going to keep waiting. Unfortunately, sometimes this could take a couple of seconds to be able to completely complete the process. So now it says reinstall app here. So just click on reinstall app and then just wait for it to completely update to its latest version right here. And then when it's done, you can just go back and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.